Right, so I have had permission from the homeowner to record the flooring, which I'm about to do today. Let me just get the quick video for you so you can see fixing up this floor, and I'll get to it straight away. But that's it. Right, so I've rubbed that down. So it looks a bit different now. Also rubbed a couple of bits down over here. And I think she was moving a bed, so a bit of furniture maybe. I'd just do them while I'm here. Why not? It's very nice. Right, so I've got to mix up some colour, a wash to go over this to hide a lot of the scratches, which is not the easiest thing to do, but I've had practice, so hang on. Right, so in this trade I found, try the easy things first. If that doesn't work, you've got to resort to the hard work. So I'm just going to try a little bit of the English light oak stain and see if that brings out the colour. Nope, it didn't. It made it real dark, and that's not what I want. See where that goes in another 5 minutes when it dries out. Mix up a wash and then let's get it on. So this is what I've already pre-mixed. There's not really anything in there. But it's got the base coat of the floor. So let's have a play about with some stain. I think that'd actually do it if there was enough powder in there. Should we give it a go? It's a bit weak, isn't it? Right. Yeah, I'm good.
If you need me, I'm just going on the other patio.
I'll give you a shout if I need anything.
Right, okay. Are you alright for your drink still?
Yeah, I'm brilliant, thank you.
Sorry I've got no ice cube.
No, it's fine. Thank you. Oh, my knee. Right, kneeling pads. Right, let's have a look at that. There's not enough powder in there, and it's a bit dark at the moment, so let's lighten that up. This is the longest part of the video, the job, finding the right colour. Brush is quite hard, so let that any bits of powder in there that I can. Right, well, no yellow. Should have checked that one before I went. I'm just going to go in there. Oh, she's getting an lawnmower cutting the grass. Methylated spirit and a bit of yellow spirit. Look at that, it's very powerful. So we all need a drop, two. It's going on the floor. Look at that. Yeah. Need to wash that off straight away. Wash that off. I'm going to wash the floor anyway, so whatever I do right now doesn't matter too much. Because I need to get the colour right first. So let's have a look at what that yellow did to that colour. Not much. Yeah, get some mess in there. Yeah. You're probably wondering how do I get away with being such a lousy mixer. Right, so I think that colour is about right. Right, so I think I need to give it a good go, the floor a good clean. I think it needs a drop more yellow. Right there. well enough. Good clean. Bit of wire wool. Bit of methylated spirits. Get all the grease off. Any dirt that's hidden in there, that can come off too. So we're ready to coat the floor up in a minute. Right. Right, so I've done these little bits that was in the middle. Can't really see them anymore. And but you can't really tell that it's there. So over here we go, right? Over here, still pretty wet, greasy still. So I'm gonna have to get a bit of coarse wire wool and scrub some of that grease out of there before I put anything on it, or else it just won't sit right. Don't try this at home. You'll ruin your floors. I want you to get a quick close up on the work that's been done. It's been cleaned, been sanded down. Some of the colours come back to some of it and not the others. I'm going to put some wash on it that I've made. Try and blend it all in. So, if it keeps recording, you should be able to see it. If it doesn't, you'll miss out. So just do it here. Before that dries out. Blend it in. But it is what it is. You see, when I rubbed it down and gave it another coat. Right, so what do you think? Just need to go over the rest of it where it's been sun bleached, and then that's a good job. Yeah. So now that floor is dry, yeah, so that's the floor now finished. As you can see, looks very well. It's still a little bit wet, but that's it.